With its expansive cargo space, 3 rows of flexible seating, and the most towing capacity of any Subaru vehicle ever, your Subaru Ascent adapts to any family adventure. As you take a trip around town or explore the road less traveled, make memories that will last a lifetime with genuine Subaru accessories. Include genuine Subaru accessories in your monthly payment plan. It's a convenient option and ideal way to reduce your upfront expenses. Talk to your sales consultant for more details. Come along with us to explore just a few of the many genuine Subaru accessories available for your Subaru Ascent. No matter where your travels take you, keep your Subaru Ascent looking its best and protect all your precious cargo with genuine Subaru protection and security accessories. Here are just a few from this collection. Put the windows down and let fresh air in, even during inclement weather. Side window deflectors are engineered for a seamless fit, evaluated for weather intrusion, and tested to help reduce wind noise and vibration. Door edge guards help protect your door edges from dings and chips, while seamlessly blending into the door design. And body side molding complements the styling of the Ascent and protects doors from dents. All-weather floor liners help protect the interior carpet from spills, sand, mud, dirt, and moisture. This genuine Subaru accessory is constructed with durable materials to help minimize warping, fading, and tearing compared to typical aftermarket additions. Protect your doors from shoe scuffs and scrapes when entering and exiting your vehicle. And the seat cover front keeps your front seats protected from spills, stains, dust, and dirt. With a full coverage design, they also help protect the seat backs from wear and tear. Lower your back seats without worry of damage when transporting larger cargo with the rear seat back protector. Available for the 3rd row bench, 2nd row bench, and 2nd row captain's chairs. Your family SUV has never looked so stylish. With genuine Subaru style accessories, you can tailor your Subaru Ascent to project your personality. Let's take a look at just a few of them now. Add the front bumper underguard accessory to enhance the front of your vehicle with a stylish, refined appearance. And the leather shift knob adds a touch of luxury to the center console. Transform your travels into an illuminating experience with the Footwell Illumination Kit to add a soft blue glow to the front floor area. Enhance the standard visor and reading lights with the LED upgrade for flattering, crisp, bright white interior lighting. Or add the illuminated cargo sill for an attractive accent to the upper surface of the cargo sill. Featuring bright white lighting, this accessory is engineered to protect the upper surface from scratches and scuffs while adding a touch of light and style. New experiences are all within reach in your Subaru Ascent. Bring along all the gear you need for all the places you'll go with genuine Subaru lifestyle accessories. Add the crossbar set arrow or Thule crossbar set arrow extended to increase your cargo carrying capabilities. Crossbar sets support the use of genuine Subaru roof attachments and carriers, including the Thule Cargo Carrier, Thule Cargo Carrier Extended, and heavy-duty roof cargo basket, which provide additional rooftop storage space. The Kayak Carrier cradles one kayak up to 36 inches wide, and the Paddleboard Carrier transports up to 2 34-inch boards for water adventures. And the Ski and Snowboard Carrier holds up to 6 pairs of skis or 4 boards when your plans include hitting the slopes. There are a variety of carriers to choose from to bring your bikes along with you, including the Roof-Mounted Bike Carrier or Fork-Mounted Bike Carrier to transport your bikes from above. Or, if you prefer to haul your bikes behind you, carry either 2 bikes or 4 with the Hitch-Mounted Bike Carrier. If you ride a mountain or downhill bike, e-bike, fat bike, or a bike with a carbon frame, the Hitch Platform Bike Carrier may be your preference. The Thule Rooftop Tent transforms your Ascent into a home away from home. It not only provides more living space for you, but it gives you more space for your gear. Easy to deploy once you complete the initial setup, the tent comfortably sleeps up to 3 people, features panoramic skylights and windows to keep you cool and the tent well ventilated. Plus, With the removable rain cover, you can protect yourself from the elements without impacting your view to the environment. The roof-mounted awning by Thule provides shelter from the sun and rain and also expands your living space on any outdoor adventure. The awning can be used in conjunction with the Thule rooftop tent or other genuine Subaru lifestyle rooftop accessories. Genuine Subaru comfort and convenience accessories help accommodate any travel experience and let you customize your comfort zone. Let's take a look at a few of the many accessories from this collection. Start your Ascent with the remote engine starter and adjust the interior temperature before entering the vehicle. Add the sunshade windshield to help reduce the interior temperature up to 40 degrees. And the second row sunshade helps keep your rear passengers more comfortable by reducing sun glare. For maximum protection, extend sunshades to the third row. Secure your items to help keep them from rolling around with the cargo net. And keep your items in the back out of sight with the maximum coverage, fully retractable cargo cover. Add a cargo tray and help protect the cargo area from sand, water, spills, dirt, and other messes. The surface of this accessory also helps reduce shifting of your gear while driving. This upgraded mirror accessory offers multiple functions. It darkens automatically to protect your eyes from headlight glare. It can be programmed to operate select home functions, and it features an 8-point digital compass. The phone holder, cup holder mounted, secures your mobile phone in either portrait or landscape position and includes a tray to hold small personal belongings. It's easy to install by inserting into the center console cup holder. Your Subaru Ascent was made for family excursions, and that includes your whole family, including your pets. Here are just a few genuine Subaru pet-friendly accessories to make travel experiences more fulfilling for your furry family, too. Buckle up your dog in the crash-tested, Center for Pet Safety certified pet harness designed to help prevent injury in case of a vehicle collision. Especially suited for senior dogs or dogs with mobility issues, the pet ramp allows for easy vehicle entrance and exit and folds down to store in the cargo area when not in use. The collapsible pet kennel, or pet carrier and mobile pet bed, are ideal for travel and everyday transport of your furry companions. And you can help keep the interior of your Ascent protected from nail scratches, pet hair, muddy paws, and infamous dog drool with the pet-friendly padded seat protector, second row seat cover, pet rear door protector, and console lid protector. Stay connected during your travels with USB charging ports capable of fast charging most personal electronics. No more tangled wires when you charge your mobile phone with the wireless charger. And add a soundtrack to your adventures together with the CD player. Thanks for joining us to see just a few genuine Subaru accessories available for your Subaru Ascent. Be sure to talk to your sales consultant to learn about the full line of genuine Subaru accessories. Every genuine Subaru accessory is backed by the balance of the vehicle's 3-year or 36,000-mile limited warranty, even if the accessory is installed after retail delivery. Genuine Subaru accessories installed after the 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty period are backed by a 1-year unlimited mileage warranty. Subaru Lifestyle Accessories by Thule have a limited lifetime warranty for the original purchaser. See your warranty and maintenance booklet for more details.